In this video, I'm going to show you how to cut a mango. Stand the fruit on your cutting board so it's stable. To do this, make a slight cut at the base where the stem is to create a flat surface. The mango has 4 sides, 2 wide and 2 narrower. There's a long flat pit that runs vertically through the fruit. Place your knife at the top, then go 1/4 to 1/3 of an inch from the center and cut straight down as close as you can to the pit. Now repeat on the other side, again going 1/4 to 1/3 inch from the center. If you run into some resistance, then you've run into the pit, no problem. Just come back up and go a bit farther out. Now we're able to cut straight down. The majority of the flesh is in these 2 pieces, otherwise known as the cheeks of the mango, and then we have this piece with the pit. We're going to deal with that next, but first let's get into these 2. Make parallel slices into the mango. Be careful to only go to the skin, not through the skin. Now repeat the same way in the other direction. Holding the fruit, push from the skin side to turn it inside out. And look at all those delicious chunks of mango. Push the fruit off the skin with your thumb using a knife, or just scoop it out with a spoon. Another way to get to the fruit is to scoop it out with a large spoon. Place flat side down. You can now cut however you like. You can stop with these long slices, or you can make small dice for mango salsa or black bean salad. Recipes coming soon for those. For this piece with the pit, again, stand it upright on your cutting board. From the top with your knife curved down, cutting around the pit. These 2 pieces you can cut however you like. Here I'm holding onto the skin and slicing through away from me. Now we're left with the pit. You can try angling your knife to cut whatever you can, or what some people do is get the fruit off with their teeth. I'd be lying if I said I didn't do this every time. If there are other fruits that you find difficult to get into, like pomegranates, then check out this video here where you'll learn how to cut a pomegranate easily and with no mess.